How to fix iPhone overheating after iOS 26 beta. So if you want to fix iPhone overheating after iOS 26 beta, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go and restart your device. After restarting, it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next things we are going to talk about is the battery. The rough applications are not yet optimized for iOS 26 yet. So what you want to do is just go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down, go with battery, and go with view all battery usage, which will be right here. So if you found any apps using a lot of powers or a lot of battery, then I would recommend you guys to go ahead and delete that application from your device. This will save you from getting overheated on your iPhone. Now the next thing is a background application. So what you need to do is just open up your settings again. From your settings, you need to scroll down and then you need to go with general, and under general, you'll have a background app refresh. You need to tap on it and simply set it off. Tap on off, and that's it. This will help you to save your battery life as well as help you to save your iPhone from getting overheated. The next thing you can do is turn off your location service. If you've turned on your location, just go and turn off your location, and it might also prevent you from overheating. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.